Hey y'all, sorry about the wet hair. It's been a really busy day and I had to throw a quick shower in there, but I also needed to go ahead and start filming this video. So there's that. Anyway, busy day aside, I'm gonna have a quick dinner tonight because I'm gonna enjoy some sit down time and watch a little TV tonight. I don't watch a lot of television, but I'm gonna do that tonight. So tonight's going to be a quick dinner, quick easy dinner, but we're still using up rotisserie chicken. So come join me for dinner. Okay, these are the ingredients for our very easy, quick, simple dinner. We're going to make a barbecue pizza tonight. So we're going to be using some of the rotisserie chicken. I've got these ultra thin pizza crusts that I picked up at Publix a good while back. And I just haven't used them yet, so there's 5 in the pack. I'll be using one, and I will be putting the others in another package, and probably putting the rest of them in the freezer. But we've got our chicken, our pizza crust, our barbecue sauce. This is my choice, my favorite barbecue sauce. You use whatever you like, and mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to be putting some onion on mine. You can put whatever veggies or toppings that you like on your pizza. And then I'm just going to make a quick little side salad. We have our salad mix, some cheese, and I have some grated tomatoes and my ranch dressing. That's going to be dinner. So let's get busy assembling this pizza. Okay, I'm going to get my pizza assembled. For the crust that I'm using, I have preheated my oven to 425 degrees. I have my pizza crust ready. I'm going to put I'm using Sticky Fingers Smokehouse barbecue sauce, the sweet and smoky. This is mine and Keith's favorite barbecue sauce ever. So this is what I'm going to use on mine. I'm just going to put a little bit. I don't like a lot of sauce of any kind on my pizza, so we're going to start with just a little bit. That's the great thing about making it your own, is you put what you like, how much you like, and so there are no measurements on this tonight. Just going to get that smeared around all over the crust. I think that's plenty of sauce for me, because I'm also going to put a little bit of sauce on the top when it comes out of the oven. So next up, I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of cheese. I'm using mozzarella. You use whatever you want to use. It's your pizza. So I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit. Okay, that's good for now. And next up, we're going to take the rotisserie chicken that we bagged up the other day. I'm going to take it and just put it around on my pizza. Put however much you want. This is a 4-ounce bag, and I am probably not going to use but maybe about 2 ounces, 2 to 3 ounces on this pizza. That is a generous amount, and we still have that much left in our bag, so that is not 4 ounces on the pizza. Next, I'm taking some of my onion. I already started slicing it up. And I'm just going to put slices of onion on it. I like onion on my pizza, no matter what kind I'm eating. Even if it's just a cheese pizza, I love to add onion to my pizza. It just gives it an extra added flavor. If you don't like onions, don't add them. You put whatever veggies that you want on your pizza, because it's your pizza. So there's that. That wasn't quite a quarter of an onion. And I'm going to top that with some more cheese. Remember, this is your pizza and you make it like you want it. You know what you like. Okay. Now I'm going to pop this little single serve pizza in a 425-degree oven for about 8 to 12 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'll check it at 8 minutes and we'll see how long it takes. But the package for the crust says 8 to 12 minutes. So let's pop this in the oven. While we're waiting on our pizza, we'll get our salad assembled. Just taking an American blend from a bag. I love a good salad. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what your favorite dressing is for your salad. My favorite of all time is ranch. Next, I'm going to throw some grape tomatoes that I've sliced in half. Just going to throw those in. And I'm going to sprinkle a little cheese on top. I'm using a Fiesta blend because that's what I have in my refrigerator. This is what I keep most of the time. We love Mexican food and this is the best cheese in my opinion for that. So I use it on everything. Sprinkle a little cheese. And when I get ready to eat, I'm going to top it with some ranch dressing. Let's check that pizza. Here's my pizza. Just got it out of the oven. It cooked for about 8 or 9 minutes and then I turned the oven off and turned the broiler on because the crust was pretty much done and the top needed to be browned a little bit. The cheese needed to be a little more melty, but I wanted my cheese to be browned up just a little bit more. That's just how I like it. So now I'm going to take my barbecue sauce and I'm just going to drizzle me some barbecue sauce on the top. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm going to just because that's what I want to do. That's how I like it. So there you go. Very simple, quick, easy dinner and it's done. A barbecue pizza with a salad on the side. Make your pizza however you want to make it. Use whatever kind of crust you want to use. I used a pre-made store-bought crust that just needed to cook for 8 to 12 minutes in the oven, and you can make your own pizza crust if you want to. Homemade crust is absolutely delicious, but I didn't have time for all that tonight. So as I always say, fed is best. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to eat my dinner, then go chill and watch a little TV. So I'll see y'all in the next one.